This is Thursday the 19th of September 2024 when you are now stuck there. Tanya is with, well, was with Faheen.
He walked away. He came over towards me. Did you get him coming towards me now?
No.
He came over towards me. He didn't get that camera. He came up towards me and then he walked away. He didn't get that camera in.
Yeah.
He didn't put the camera on sooner. He got coming over towards me. He walked away. I wonder why he turned away. I wonder why he walked away. Why he turned away from me? Huh?
I wonder why.
Huh?
I wonder why. Got it, baby.
Alim.
It's working there.
Zoom into that. You didn't zoom into the last day we were here. I asked you to zoom into him. We're not filming with my mobile. I asked you to zoom into him with the camcorder. I asked you to zoom into him with the camcorder. You didn't zoom into him with the camcorder last time. Send appears that he had a muzzle on and asked you to zoom into him and he didn't. Zoom into him then. He had a muzzle off there. I asked you to zoom into him. The camcorder and he didn't. Didn't zoom into him the last day we were here. I zoomed in with my mobile. He didn't zoom into him with the camcorder. I asked you, do you know what he was saying to you last time to zoom in?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, you should have zoomed into him. I asked you to zoom in into both of them last time we were here. What was it? The 15th. Come on, Faheen. I thought I was getting a hello from you that time. You came over towards me and you walked away. Why did you do that? Hey, I thought I was in for a lovely hello there. Faheen. Hey, I thought I was in for a lovely hello. And you turned away from me. Charming. Come on, Hurricane. I thought Hurricane would come over to me. Towards again, the big hello from Beefy on the Hurricane. Faheen. I thought it was a hello from Faheen there.
Yeah.
He came over towards me. He saw me, came over towards me and he walked away. Huh?
Seen that, yeah.
Really? Charming. You use the glasses?
Huh?
You use the glasses?
Could be a glass, I wouldn't say so.
That's Leonie. Hi, Leonie. How are you? I totally recognise that voice. I recognise that voice. I know that voice quite well. Beefy's over the fence there. Huh? We're walking away now. We went over to see them with a hello from them because they were full of blood. Towards Hurricane. Again, towards Hurricane. We've gone over soon a bit about the bushes for Anne. Yeah, but just we got to try to get back. This is Thursday the um,
19th.
19th of September 2024. We're at the Irish National Structure there. We're at the Living Legends College. This is beef for salmon. It's hurricane. This is Faheen. Faheen was coming over towards me and then he walked away. He walked over towards me and he walked away. And here he is now grazing. And there's hurricane at the distance there, and there's beef for salmon. Liam, you can see there's Liam's hand with the camcorder. There's beef for salmon over there by the trees. They were doing a tour. I was hoping for a hello with hurricane, but he didn't come over. But Beefy, there was a tour, and Beefy were going to send him on the tour, so they were going off. If I'd gone over sooner, maybe I would have got a hello. I thought I was going to get hello from Faheen here, but he came over towards me, then he turned around. So I was a bit disappointed. I was wondering why that is. I don't like it to turn around when he comes up to us and then turn around. And then he sees me. Him and I, well, supposedly supposed to have a call connection with me. But I just clicked it that they did when I first met him in 2021 when he first came to the store. I clicked it then the other instant connection. For about before crossing. Now, this is hurricane at the distance here. There's hurricane here, and he's grazing there. And both Faheen and hurricane both still have the muzzles on. Both have the muzzles. Both still have the muzzles on, and they still can't feed them. Anna was here the other day, and she filmed the legends for me, and they didn't send them to me on my WhatsApp. I'm very grateful to her for doing that for me. So I'm hoping to see her tonight after the papers on. This is that disaster case we did. That's the thing we done. And of course I've shut it. Excuse me, Steve's hand there again. Now, Steve's hand with the camcorder. He's even doing that. Now, you want to go down to Stallions?
Yeah. All video?